Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're just going to go over literally the very best deals going on at Harbor Freight in order. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. One note that a few of the HARBROs, the true HARBROs, well, all of you are HARBROs, but we were waiting for the new instant savings. The old instant savings just ended, but a new one has not started. So I wonder when they're going to release it. They've done this before. Will they hang tight until the sale ends potentially? But we'll be looking every day to see if it comes out for potential stacking. But just no instant savings yet, at least as far as I know. But let's jump in. So I've organized this to be similar format to what we're used to. And of course, so we're focusing on items that are 30% or more minimum, only 30% more or minimum, and to not be drowned out by the minutia. If it's less than $10, we're only looking at the 50% or more. So let's go. Of course, bottle jacks, 30% off all bottle jacks, 30% off all jack stands with a new pretty purple jack stands, and of course 35% off all icon, queen, and sockets. We know this, but let's go. Starting with Storehouse, the 11-inch cable ties, 100 pack. Your choice of color, black or white, $1.84, 50% off. The Warrior Hex Shank socket driver set, 3-piece, $1.88, 68% off. 68% off. Excellent deal. Both of these items, though, have been free items. The 11-inch cable ties, I believe, have. Definitely the 8-inch ones. Next, the 18-inch long neck funnel, $1.92, 55% off. So these probably the first half, this is almost like a long dollar days. These will be kind of shopping cart stuffers. It's like a parking lot, say dollar days. Some excellent deals as you're getting your main deals to stuff your cart. I mean, you don't have to, but there's some excellent deals. Excellent value, $10 and under. And I'm going only over 50% off. So 18-inch funnel, long neck funnel, $1.92, 55% off. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 25-foot by 1-inch quick find tape measure with ABS casing, $248, normally $5, 50% off compared to Coco Melon. More Pittsburgh, the 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool, $249, normally $5, 50% off. Great pickup if you don't have one, or if you need another one. Having multiple tape measures around the house, not a bad idea either. Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths. This is the 12-inch by 12-inch 12-pack. Definitely not Shakur. This is $298, 50% off compared to Quickie job site. And as a note, this is almost like a Hardy parking lot sale deal. There's a lot of Hardy on here, and they're all 50% off, some more. This is the Hardy Performance Work Gloves. Available small, medium, large, extra large, double XL. $324, 50% off compared to Firm Grip. Voyager's 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $396, 50% off, normally $8. Pittsburgh's multi-use transfer pump at $398, 50% off, normally $8. Keep going, of course. The 3x5-foot American flag with embroidered stars, $492, normally $10. Which is weird if I do the math. That math ain't mathing. $9.99 times 0.5 should be $4.99. They're actually giving you, this is like 58% off. 58% off. But they're rounding. Here's the Voyager 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets. It's $4.98, normally $10, 50% off. Realistically, 51, 52% off. More Hardy, the 5mm nitrile powder-free gloves 100-pack, $5.92, normally $12. Also 50% off, light blue or green. Of course, the popular battery-operated liquid transfer pump for $649, normally $1349, 51% off. Requires 2D batteries. Sold separately, Sierra Tools. There is a 20% off of Thunderbolt right now. So if you're picking up batteries, don't forget 20% off Thunderbolt and Thunderbolt Magnum batteries. Now, these have been during other parking lot sales, 50% off. Although I will say the Thunderbolt Magnum has not been included. It's actually slight correction. 20% off of this battery is super solid. You're going to get it for $40. Is that $40? Save $10. So that's a quick inside deal. Then we have Hardy again, the 7mm nitrile powder-free gloves, 50-pack, your choice of color, orange textured or blue. $698, normally $14, 50% off. And we have Braun, 800 lumen tactical LED flashlight for $699, normally $14, 50% off there. Great deal. More Hardy, The Hardy 9mm nitrile powder-free gloves, 50 pack, $7.98. Normally $17, 53% off. And with a Warrior, 3/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch number 4 titanium step drill bit, 12 steps, and number 5 11 steps. This has been free. It was crazy free item. It's super popular. People picked up multiple ones of these. HARBRO's picked up multiple, and positive feedback. Good to have some step drill bits. But here it is at $8.98, normally $19, 52% off, which is still a great deal. The HARBRO Popular Warrior 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun. I feel like a little bit back and forth. Some HARBROs gave it high praise. Some HARBROs said your house would be gone. $9.96, 50% off, normally $20 from Black & Decker. Pittsburgh Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit, 240 piece, $11, 38% off. And oh, I should say, those are the 50% off, $10 and under deal. There's quite a bit, but some great shopping cart stuffers in there to consider if you're non-ITC and you're going this weekend to Harbor Freight for the parking lot sale, or if you need to go back in and pick up some things if you're an ITC member, you're making your second or third trip. But now we're going into the 30% off anything $10 and over during this parking lot sale, outside of the big ribbon items. So the Pittsburgh Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit, 240 piece, $11, normally $18, 38% off. The Warrior Titanium Drill Bit Set, 29 piece, $12, 40% off, normally $20. The Metal 50 caliber ammo can at $12, 40% off, normally $20. The Ames 12-2-1 infrared laser thermometer, $15, normally $23, 34% off. Merlin's Premium Air Compressor Accessory Kit, 20 piece at $15, normally $23, 34% off. And then for the Tarp Bros, the 11-foot 4-inch by 19-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant tarp 9mm tarp, $15, 40% off, normally $25. And crazy. So this is over $10 at 50% off. The Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. Again, HARBRO approved. A lot of the HARBROs like this better than the Icon, but at $15, it's hard not to like. $15, 50% off, normally $30 compared to Milwaukee. We do have an Icon alert. This is 32% off of the Icon color-coded L-shaped ball end hex key set, 13 piece, available SAE or metric. Great deal on Icon, $17, 32% off, of course, compared to Snap-on. And then for anybody getting their sockets, not a bad option to go with. The US General PEG type socket trays, 3-piece. So it comes with 3 pieces. Your choice of blue or green, or red or black. Blue and green have SAE and metric. Red is only SAE only, and black metric only. So if you want to mix and match or keep them all color coded, they have the different options for you. $17, 32% off, normally $25. Then we have the Pittsburgh Brake Bleeder and Vacuum Pump Kit at $18, 30% off, and only $26. Apache's 2800 Weatherproof Protective Case Medium, $18, normally $30, 40% off. Luminar Outdoor 24-foot LED outdoor string lights at $19, 32% off, normally $28, available black or white. Banks 18-gauge Brad air nailer at $20, 33% off. Kenway 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit at $23, 30% off. Barely made the cut. Normally $33, but still a good deal. Braun 10,000 lumen 4-foot linkable diamond plate LED hanging shop light, $33, 34% off. Normally $50. This does go slightly higher, or has in the past. We'll see if it makes it back up to the 40% mark. Bauer 8-volt cordless variable speed rotary tool kit, 40 piece, $35. Normally $50. Save $15, 30% off. Avanti's handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer at $35, normally $70. 50% off is pretty nuts. Yukon's 5-tier shelf, 36-inch by 18-inch by 72-inch, $40, normally $60, 33% off. And then Bauer's 5.7 amp 6-inch 8mm short throw random orbit DA polisher sander, $40, normally $65. Compared to Porter Cable, 38% off. And with a Hercules alert, the 20-volt 5-amp-hour lithium-ion battery and 4-amp charger starter kit at $80, $40 off. That's 33% off. And then we have the Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump, $90, $60 off. It's $60 off of $150, 40% off. That's as good as your floor jack unicorn days, 40% off. Get it down to $90 for the 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump. Tough to beat. Super tough to beat. Then Hercules Alert, 9-amp variable speed surface conditioning tool at $40 off, $100. Normally $140. This might have been a honorary mention. Let's see, $40 off of $140. Yeah, 29% off. But because it's Hercules, it got the 1% bias filter to get into it. But 29% off, not bad. That's really good. Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long available, 3 colors, $100. Normally $150, $50 off, so that's 33% off. Back to some floor jacks. Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $70 off of $200. Probably don't need the calculator, but it's gonna be 35% off. 35% off. That's really, really good. Then, of course, more Daytona, the 4-ton. This is probably, again, I think I mentioned this before, one of the sleeper deals. I don't know who's picked up their 4-ton professional floor jack, but if you're looking to pick one up, this would be the one. Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, available 4 colors, $170, normally $270, $100 off, 37% off. Great deal. And then a couple of honorary mentions. Predator 4550 watt open frame inverter generator with CO secure technology, $500, $180 off of $680. That gets us to 26, almost 27% off, which is better than the generator days. So good to know. And then the Predator 5000 watt dual super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology, $800. Normally $1,100. That's $300 off. And similar idea here. $300 off of $1,100 puts us at 27, almost 28% off, which is, again, is better than the 20-25% generator days. So you're saving a bit more than generator days. And those are the best deals going on at the March parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. Again, only 30% and more off for anything $10 and more, and then only 50% off of items $10 and under. But I'll leave it at that. Again, Harbros, how has your parking lot sale been going? What have you gotten? Let me know. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.